Welcome back to RevvClub, your source for the latest in motoring news and innovation. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking Lamborghini Temerario, a supercar that redefines performance, luxury, and technology. Is this the most daring supercar yet? Let's find out. The Lamborghini Temerario is more than just a successor to the iconic Huracan. It's a bold new chapter in Lamborghini's legacy. The name Temerario, meaning daring in Italian, captures the spirit of this remarkable vehicle. With a powertrain featuring a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine and 3 electric motors, the Temerario delivers a combined 907 brake horsepower, showcasing Lamborghini's commitment to innovation. The Temerario's design is both aggressive and aerodynamic, with an all-new aluminum monocoque chassis that increases rigidity and reduces weight. Inside, the focus is on luxury and technology, featuring a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and a customizable digital display. Every detail is crafted for performance and visual appeal. Performance is where the Temerario truly shines. With a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 213 miles per hour, this supercar is engineered for thrill seekers. The 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and all-wheel drive ensure optimal handling and stability, whether on the racetrack or winding roads. The Temerario is packed with cutting-edge technology, including connected services, over-the-air updates, NFC keyless entry and start, and a 360-degree camera system. Safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist ensure you're protected at every turn. As a hybrid supercar, the Temerario's 3.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery is primarily used for performance boosts and regenerative braking, enhancing efficiency without compromising power. The Lamborghini Temerario is priced at £260,035 or $389,554, reflecting its high-performance pedigree and luxury features. Stay tuned for the official launch date and availability in your region. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Temerario is poised to be a game-changer in the supercar segment, combining breathtaking performance, stunning design, and advanced technology. With its daring spirit, this vehicle is set to capture the hearts of automotive enthusiasts worldwide. What do you think of the new Lamborghini Temerario? Is it the supercar you've been waiting for? Is it better looking than the Huracan? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to RevvClub, and hit that notification bell for the latest motoring news. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.